The God. The Gargolian God himself.
Have no fear. Mr. Organic is here.com. Britney Spears, before she shaved her goddamn head and showed the pussy meat, don't forget that. Hey, shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation. What's up? Everybody, G-Squad, dude, hand on the wall. And everybody in the gargoyle, the gang, CBD drops. I gotta see me there, back. Hey man, let me take some of the CBD drop, man. Cause listen up, gotta purify your motherfucking greatness. Let me get low for you, man. Get some of these motherfucking Mr. Organic CBD drops, man. Ooh, let me get a full motherfucking bottle. And the tongue. Look at the skin texture. Get 3, how many? 3 of them. Get one more drop of that more. I'll be a bit like that. Young old nigga shit. Young old nigga shit be a bit like that. It ain't been shit like that, stirring it up. Stirring up her cream of wheat. Stirring up her oatmeal. You know what I mean? And of course, I get a little bit of this too. Watch this. Get a little, it's good for healing and all that, right? Put a little bit of that CBD oil. And guess what I do? Put it on the skis now. Put it on the skis now, man. Look at that. Look at the skin of the scalp, man. Tell it, man. Get some of this 3B's, Mr. Organic CBD oil, man. It's good for you. You know what I'm saying? I got the cream and all that too for the beard coming soon. Stay tuned. Anyway, I'm about to hop in the whip. I got a lot of errands today. Make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com, get the merch. Big pistol on deck. I don't play disrespect. Green like the Bisneer. See that? Is it green like the Bisneer? Yeah, you see that finger off the trigger always, man. Safety. Second Amendment rights. I got my license to carry, so I can have as many guns as I want to. I know I got guns. I got guns. They everywhere too. They everywhere. Gargoyle. Come on, man. Shout out to my dog Slim. Shout out to my dog Omi. We the Hellcat Hooligan. Shout out to my dog The Real Art Guy. Add him on Instagram, man. He gets you together with the best art in the game. Time to get to the man, get the view. Convertible crib. Yeah. Time to get to the whip. Swipey, swipe. Swipe. White man move. White man move. Shut up, man. Big heroin user, methamphetamine snorter, and all type of other discriminatory type of situations. Yes, man. I'm on my big young old nigga shit, man. You see the glasses? You know what I'm saying? Big trifocals, like they Balenciaga though, but they look like some readers or something. But anyway, on the way to my dog Chief house, I actually got to go ahead and upload the song to iTunes and all that stuff. Because you know I do everything independent, right? I'm going to give y'all a link that y'all should all do. If you're an independent artist, it's 2 sites you could use to upload your music. And it's cheap too, like $20 or something a year or something like that. I don't really know. Or for unlimited uploads, and you got different type of things you could do to copyright it and all that. It's a site called DistroKid. Go to DistroKid and you can upload all your own music, and it goes to every single music platform, man. So you don't need no middleman no more. Like I said, it's better than SoundCloud because you get paid just like any other artists do for the streaming and all that. So it's called DistroKid. Also another site called TuneCore. People probably heard of TuneCore. Upload your own music. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you got your good like single graphics cover, and a nice little cover. Upload it, boom, and you can get it out there to the world. So it's on all music platforms. So I'm gonna go there right now, upload Young Old Nigga and also the Gargoyle Anthem. So like I said, you don't need nobody. Stop asking for help and how to do this. I'm telling you, I'm giving y'all an organic secret right now to upload your own music to all music platforms. Google Music, Apple Music, iTunes, all that stuff. Spotify, Tidal, everything. All you gotta do is go to DistroKid and upload. This ain't even no advertising. I'm just helping y'all out, getting y'all some organic seeds, and they upload just like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm finna do right now. I gotta get this up to y'all. You know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all more than y'all know. We're gonna continue to go and grow. And if you still want to listen to the song, the link is the video is actually in the on my videos. So, but I'm finna get it on all music platforms right now. 3 of them, swipe up. It's that icy as a game shit, bitch. Y'all rocking with this beat. Hey, y'all doing 3 up there. That's that sample, you put pussy this shit there. Hey, see what I see. trip to Paris, buying Louis bags. I took her out to France, I took her out to Cannes. Versace all up on my toes, Versace on my underoos. I fucked her on the balcony, and now she bowed down to me. Yeah, slow stroke and slow passion. I'm flyer than the most fashion. She captivated by my talk. The twistics all around the fucking talk. Yeah, I told her that I loved her though. I'm a liar, she desire everything I spoke. I'm different all around the globe. I let this bitch lick up on my toes. Hey! Yeah, 3, I play that shit every time. See what I see, a fucking pussy raw tonight. Yeah! Woo! I'm coming all up in that pussy. It's the God, man. Woo! Generic with your talk, you can never be. The God himself, I'm a baller, but I've got to do it. That's that motherfucker right there. Yeah, turn that down. That's a cold beat, man. Shout out to everybody that's sending me beats for this new project. That's another subscriber right there. Hold on, let me shout him out, cause that's a banger. I'm definitely gonna make something to that, man. Something real sensual type real, you know, prophetic. Let me give me shout out, man. Cause I'm rocking with that. You got a couple beats I'm rocking with. My dog, what's his name? Murder Season. No, I don't know, my bad. Post Beats. Shout out to my dog Post Beats. You got some bangers. Shout out to my homie, hold on, that made Big Head Productions. My dog that made Young Gold Nigga, and he got Top of the Mook. I'm putting both of them on the project, my dog Pedro. So nothing but the organic love, man. Keep sending them beats in. About 5 songs down. At least 2 of my subs already made the cut so far. I'm definitely writing some of that. That's a banger. I'm gonna fuck pussy to that. And also, you know, that Young Gold Nigga by Big Head Productions. That's a super banger. That's a hit. We type rich on that one. You know what I'm saying? I'll get you together, brother. But organic love from the seat. Now I'm finna go in here, upload this music. You ain't stand me? Come on, man. Look at the neck. OrganicLifestyle.com, man. Get the merch. Yeah, I got Maddie, so you don't think I'm just wearing the same suits all the time. I got a whole surplus. Now I'm going to see that CBD oil on the scalp. Look at the scalp look. Come on, man. Swipe up. All right, man. Just upload those songs. So they should be on all music platforms. Either today when this video drop or tomorrow, whatever. Whenever y'all see this video, it's everywhere. Gargoyle Gang and Young Gold Nigga. There go the Mustang. Like I said, it's cool. It ain't the Vet though, but I take it. You know what I mean? I definitely take it now. You know what I'm saying? I want to be riding something too embarrassing. Oh, let me sit up in here. All right, so now I got a meeting with this company about some big shit, man. It's for another campaign, another partnership, so stay tuned for that. Gotta head downtown to the big buildings, man. Big building shit going on, man. You know what I mean? Come on, Jim, it's Mr. Organic, the God of Gods. So make sure you stream that music now on iTunes, everywhere, man. Apple Music, just put Mr. Organic in there, Mr.Organic, organic with a K. And all my music should come up anyway. Make sure y'all listen to that. Got the bald eagle out, man, with the CBD oil on top, man. Let me get around this corner. Oh, let me step with this thing, huh? Ain't got no kickback on that joint, but a little eco boost, yeah, a little eco boost on there. There ain't no yank back, but it's cool. I take it, man. It's a cool whip though. It look good. Like I said, I got a few eyeballs and all that, but I need the sunroof and all that, man. But anyway, man, I'm finna head downtown to go see about this meeting, man. BigPartnerships.com. And if you're interested in doing business, partnership, sponsorship with the God, hit me up. Ball or nothing else at yahoo.com. Information down below in the description of the video. Or DM me on Instagram, man. Mr. Organic, straight across. And my Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff below in the description. You know what I mean? 3 of them. Swipe. All right, big meeting, y'all. Big meeting taking place. Now it's time to go check on that whip, man. You know what I'm saying? Business before bullshit. Remember that, man. Alright, man. So I ended up at the gym. Just workout on, man. Alright, workout done. One thing I like about the motherfucking Mustang, do got that under. They show you that little Mustang underneath. It's hard. Man, that shit type dope. You know what I'm saying? Got the horse right there. And that red interior with the lights and all that. I'm fucking with it. Had a great workout. workout, man. Shoosh. Let me start this thing up. Big microwave and rev it up. Sound like a microwave. But alright, man, if I go to the crib, you already know what I'm gonna do, man. There's the marinade. Probably got a little sauteage going on. If I got some sauteage going on, I'm gonna give y'all a little walkthrough, you know. Everybody wanna be on tape like that sometimes, but I got a little walkthrough for y'all, man. Just give y'all some talk with it. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the guard, man. 3 of them, man. Go to goats. Damn. Swipe this way. All right, fresh out the shower. Now, I got a last minute saute going on, so it's only right I do that. You know what I mean? Gotta saute something. Look at the beautiful skin texture. I got my own CBD line, man, so that's why I don't ask peculiar questions. Super in shape, pure gargoyle. The god of the gargoyle game, king of the gargoyle game, you see me. Yeah, my eyes better. You see my eyes? Thank God, for real. I was scared, thought I had the Ray Charles eye. But now I'm good, you know what I mean? So I'm going to scoop, bro. I might get a little dome. I might get a little head while I'm driving. Y'all want to see that? I ain't going to show y'all that, but I'm going to show y'all the interlude type Mustang, man. So let me go ahead and hop in the whip and do what I do. Greatness. Thank God. You know, man, I'm getting it on the net, man. No disrespect, nigga. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of cool driving this car because like nobody really knows me in this car, so I ain't gotta worry about looking over my shoulder and I'm paranoid and saying what's up to everybody. It's kind of like cool just to be cruising. Look at that red. I like the little red lights here too. So I ain't a prisoner of my fame. I enjoy, you know what I'm saying, getting the knowledge, but sometimes it's cool just to ride around and just relax, you know. It's almost like when I walk around and got my jewelry on. I ain't that extra cautious of like having to do something to somebody, you know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. I might have to get like a whip that I never show like on the channel or like put it on Instagram, nothing like a low-key whip. You know what I mean? Like a little hoopty thing that's ride around in sometimes. Nah, nigga too famous now, you know? Let me go pick up this meat, man. 3 of them, swipe. Yeah, I got water. You gotta keep that mouth nice and wet. Nice, you know what I mean? Slobber it up. Gotta do that. So you gotta get nice and slobbery. What this guy doing?
I don't know. She's hanging out the back.
You can't reach across there? Try it out. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like that good road head, baby. Gotta get over that console. You can make it. Good job. You know what I'm saying? And I see I drove still good. I was still sturdy while, you know what I'm saying, getting that dome piece. I still was maneuvering good. Wasn't I? I didn't get too drastic on it.
No, that was kind of fun.
Yeah, little bumps and bruises, but you did a great job. You handled it. Ride to an elevator? No, so ain't enough time, huh? I'll talk to y'all in the morning. I'm about to get a little, you know, swipe. All right, hey, it's the next day. How we feeling? Great, of course. Hope everybody going out of their way have an organic day. Make sure you go to organiclifestyle.com, get the gargoyle gang, the gang hats, you know what I'm saying? Double G, cause that is me. But other than that, I'm gonna go to pristine detail check on the Corvette. Make sure Serena's up to date. You know, you gotta stay home, motherfuckers, man. Make sure my shit is all the way purified. Hopefully got some more progress done. I haven't seen it since I've been there the other day. I was gonna go yesterday, but I didn't have no time. And it was cold before I got done with my workout. So I'm gonna go pull up the pristine detail, check on the progress. Hopefully my bumper is done. And I might even give y'all a hint at what colors I'm getting on my new wrap. So y'all definitely wanna tune into this and make sure y'all watch all the way through. Y'all see what happened last night. You know me just doing what I do, you know, roll, leg, head. Boop. Don't get too sensible, you know what I mean? I don't want nobody getting too hypochondriac with the brain thoughts. But anyway, if I hop in the stanged up, wanged up. You know what I mean? See the little horse down there with the red light special. You know what I mean? So far, so cool driving this Mustang, man. Like I said, it's low key. I could just disappear. I got everybody run up on my car and all that. You know, treat me like I'm Elvis. You know what I mean? But of course, let me, hold on, man. Every time I wake up, I get some of my CBD oil drops, man. Mr. Organic CBD oil drops, man. I make sure I do that every time I wake up, man. Just give me good energy for the day. Also replenish all my muscles from last night workout. You know what I'm saying? That's only right. How many I do? Y'all know, y'all don't count them. Make sure you go underneath the tongue. Two, you know what? How your bitch drink the serum with my serum. Three. You know what I'm saying? That's how your bitch drink my motherfucking serum. They just put a little bit in the bitch in here. You know what I'm saying? See the follicle, see that? Cause you're gonna get that Mr. Organic CBD beard kit, man. See how my follicles is? Luxurious, man. Gotta spray that oil on there. All right, man, I'm finna head to Pristine Detail, give y'all updates. You understand me? Swipe. Make sure, man, y'all go to Be Contagious on Instagram. Be Contagious, see it below. And make sure you hit him up. You want one of these bracelets, man. It's my dog, my young boy, man. Almost like my younger brother, man. He made this legendary piece for me. Of course, y'all can't be life exclusive gargoyle wrist move. Man, stand me with me freaking on it, but he gets you some shit. Go to his Instagram, Beads Contagious. See the link below. Make sure you hit him up. 3 up. All right, good old Pristine Detail. Make sure you go to Pristine Detail for all your pristine needs. All right, good update alert. Got the whole ass off.
The bumper is pushed out.
Okay. Good work. Starting on it. Takes a little time. Got the goddamn case.
I've been spending all this time building this move here so I can go ahead and contaminate the rest of the shop.
Right, don't want to do that.
So it's gonna be some flexible filler on there.
Right.
Smooth that out. But most of it's already pushed out.
Oh yeah, dope.
Put the heat gun to it and pushed it out. So
nice.
It's like at like 95% to
95%. Okay, damn. Okay, fast movement over here, man. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, guys. 95%, 100% by the night.
Yeah, I just spent all this time doing this though.
To build this up?
So that we don't contaminate the rest.
Oh, you don't want to do that. Don't want to poison the rest of the people. Got the whole ass off that motherfucker. Damn, look at my baby. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, you gotta order that part, right? The other part.
Yeah.
Then that should be Gucci.
Charge for that. It's just expensive.
That shit is motherfucker $100, man.
$185.
Is what?
$185.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That motherfucker is for that little ass shit, right?
We'll be doing black.
Yeah, the black on top. Yeah.
I think that's gonna look better.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, we don't want to tell them everything yet.
Right.
Almost got a little sprinkle on there, but yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's almost there, man. So still what, like next week?
What?
Next week it should be done?
Yeah, should be.
All right, man. Looking good though, progress. I like that. Yeah, go through the process where we at right now.
It's going to be here. We're going to probably start off by taking the mirrors off the door, storing the doors, going straight back. Really, it's really about cleaning the car. The car's just dirty and dusty. So,
right.
You know, we got to get that all cleaned up. And it should be good. You know, probably next week. It should be fine. Easy.
Yeah. So you said you already took off the bumper. Got to take off. So spray down the door because the door fixed. You got to spray it up.
Yep, so we're going to do that probably today or probably this weekend. Then Monday, Tuesday, we'll probably start the whole wrap process.
Nice.
To get that cleaned up. So
Nice.
Should be simple.
Yeah.
Should be.
Should be. Okay, all fingers crossed. All right, I'm ready for that. Goddamn ass got the panties off. I didn't even know he had no damn, whatever the hell that is. What is that damn fan? Got to cool the goddamn jets on this joint. That's crazy. I didn't know he had all the little components back here. So yeah, man. By this time next week, it should be all Gucci. I'm loving it.
Don't fear, Mr. Organic's here.